In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into Notion. If you have a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel and you want to bring that information into Notion in a clean, usable format, the process is actually pretty straightforward. The key is preparing the file correctly first. Then using Notion's import tools so your data turns into a proper database instead of a messy block of text. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Once your file is open, go to File, then choose Save As. Here, you'll want to change the file format and save it as CSV UTF-8. This step matters because CSV is one of the easiest formats for Notion to read. And using UTF-8 helps preserve special characters and formatting in your text. Before moving on, make sure you save the file somewhere easy to find, since you'll need to upload it in just a moment. Next, open Notion and access the import option. There are two common ways to do this, depending on how you want the data to appear. If you are using the desktop app or working in a web browser, look to the bottom left corner. Click Settings and then select Import. This is useful if you want to bring the file in from the main workspace level. If you already know which page you want the data on, go directly to that page, hover over a blank block. Type /CSV and then select CSV from the menu. That method is a quick way to import the file exactly where you want it. After that, choose CSV from the available import options and select the file you just saved. Notion will begin preparing the import and show you the structure of your data. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to click Map CSV Headers. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that each column from Excel matches the correct Notion property type. For example, text columns should be set as text. Date columns should be recognized as date. And numeric values should be mapped as number. Spending a few extra seconds here can save you time later and helps avoid cleanup after the import. Once everything looks correct, click Import CSV. Notion will then convert your spreadsheet into a brand new database. From there, you can start organizing, filtering, and customizing the data inside Notion just like any other database. And that's it. If your file is saved correctly and your headers are mapped properly, importing Excel into Notion is quick, simple, and very effective.